Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Trailblazers, as in the basketball team, inspired makeup look, so keep watching. I'm going to start with tea tree water from Lush to refresh my face. Next, I'm applying Cover FX Illuminating Primer all over my face. This primer is really nice because it's hydrating. I'm also applying Cover FX Anti-Age Smoothing Eye Primer. I'm applying a little Rimmel Fair Light Concealer in Match Perfection. From the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using the Shadow and Light and just applying some of that right under the brow and blending that down towards the crease. I wanted to do a fun, dramatic red eye for the Blazers game tonight. Come to find out, my red eyeshadow game is not strong. So the best I can come up with is C's from Urban Decay Full Spectrum Palette. It's an orangey red. It's not really what I was going for. I'm going to start building up C's on my eyelid. It's definitely looking red on my eyelid. It's just more like a neon or a pale red. I'm also going to blend that color up into my crease. That red shadow was not as messy as I was expecting, which is awesome. For foundation, I'm using Clinique's Redness Solutions in number 5, Calming Honey. Obviously, when we have some red shadow on our eyes, we don't want that bringing out any redness in our face, which is why I'm using this particular foundation, which happens to be very good if you have rosacea. And I'm just applying that with a sponge. I'm using I Want Candy's Banana Pudding Face Powder to just make my skin look a little bit more perfect. This powder smells delicious, which is really fun when you're putting on your makeup. For brows, I'm using IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. I'm also adding some red shadow underneath the eyes. This shadow is really pretty and it has a little bit of a pearl sheen. I'm applying Clinique's Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen to my top lash line to get a good little black line going. I know I've said it before, but this liner is amazing. I'm applying Clinique's High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara on my top lashes. I don't need a lot because I'm using lashes, of course, but I just want to make sure that my eyelashes are black. And I'm applying Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara to my bottom lashes. When your nails are getting so long, it's hard to press the button to start the camera. Your nails might be getting too long. For lashes, I am using House of Lashes Iconic Light. I am also using my handy Sephora Lash Applicator. I'm using the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette, starting with bronzer. I'm going to use just a little bit of the blush, but not a lot. I don't want to compete with the red eye. And I'm topping with the rose gold. I put too much on the brush and got it all in my hair. This look is coming together really nicely. The red shadow is actually super subtle because it's not over the top red. It's very wearable. I want to do something fairly nudish for the lip, so I'm going to use KKW in the color Kiki. So this is actually pretty pink, but I think it complements really nice with that reddish eyeshadow we have. The KKW cream lipstick is not a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It is a moisturizing liquid lipstick that you're gonna have to reapply. I am definitely loving our final makeup look. Go Blazers. I have on my Blazers top here to go to the game later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this super easy Trailblazers inspired makeup look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you have any ideas for other videos, please subscribe so I will see you next time, and have a beautiful day. This is from last year. Never Doubt Rip City.